and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Stacy Williams, CPA of Manowitz and Company, LLP. So, Stacy, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you, Michael. Pleasure to be here.
Sure. So, Stacy, tell us, what is Manowitz and Company, and what's your role in the company?
Simply put, Manowitz and Company is an accounting firm. I am actually the third generation doing this, so we have been around for quite some time. Got my 5-year-old working on her debits and credits. But we're basically your one-stop shop for any individual or small business needs. So if you file a tax return, we could certainly help with that. If you're interested in setting up a business, we can certainly help with that and take you from setting up your business, doing your monthly reporting, and taking you straight through tax season.
Perfect. So, Stacy, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
I mean, I think anyone that usually sees a lawyer or a financial advisor or has a job is going to have tax questions in general. If you're seeing you, usually you're going to have some tax questions involved with that. I'm happy to speak to anybody that has questions and happy to, refer as needed.
Perfect. So, Stacy, what are the challenges that you face in your area of work?
I think the most difficult challenge is I don't know what I don't know. Like if a client doesn't come to me and tell me that they sold a bunch of stock or something, we can't plan for that. Or if they didn't tell me about income that they earned or money that they took from their retirement account, I can't report it. So it's the most frustrating thing is if I don't know something and you don't tell me, there's nothing I can really do about that.
That makes sense. So, Stacy, what's the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
We do have a website, manowitzandcompany.com, or you can give me a ring. The old school way that people will just call up each other. Our number is 516-741-4334.
Perfect.
And we have a presence in New York on Long Island and in Florida now.
Great. So, Stacy Williams, we have now come to the most important part of our show.
Oh.
And that happens to be the question of the week. So, Stacy Williams, this is your question of the week. What historical figure would be the most terrifying ghost to encounter, and why?
Well, I think if Julia Child saw what we do with bacon, she would never leave. So we would have an issue on our hands there.
Oh, I love it. That's a great answer. Well, Stacy Williams, you have said it all. You are helping people with their accounting needs one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
Well, thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure.